greatest knight in all the land.
Catch me! I heard your plea and rode all night. He still smells like forest pine. I've had my horse ride me through a grove of evergreens. Sir Ramadan, I am placing you outside my daughter's bedchamber, and if you do not find out where they're going and who they're going with, in 3 nights you will be killed. Banished? I will be very disappointed. I shall not fail you, your highness. Christmas, you belong next to you.
And as the queen went off, with Alan shaken and help taking some last looks, and she stumbled into a suit of armor. Meanwhile, Gia did not want the locksmith or apprentice to witness the scene. And now she could finally tell Sir Amadan how she truly felt about him. No, here came Riley.
Forgot this.
Now she could finally tell Sir Amadan just what she thought of the nope. Here came Riley. Now she could finally tell Sir Amadan what she
Not like you to laugh at, Caprice. I'm not laughing at her, Tia.
And so she opened her mouth to speak. And let us head to the evening as Sir Amadan must stand outside the princess's chamber and find out where they're going. And now we discover that there is not just one door, but 2. As Glass-Deeg, the Elven Queen, stepped through the secret portal, magic filled the air.
Come, daughter. Abandon your above-ground cares. Revel in the music of beauty. Are you coming, Caprice? Caprice, what are you doing? You are embarrassing us. Get in line. Gia, the priest is not wish to join us. Allow me to stay back.
Nob was bouncing by the doorway, unable to enter, crying out, "Stay behind!"
Stay behind.